me and my wife now, we don't enjoy marriage between the two of us for like 2 years now. Now we won't start one born picking now. See, my wife and I, we dey overcalculate something that we don't plan the time next year when we won't born.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So we don't know the time when we go conceive. A part of me they pray saying, girl.
One man, one wife per se.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. See, that fella and 27 wives God said, no say he later divorce everybody. 2 human beings first. To relate to another person, it means say you guys stay very in tune with that person.
So you dey try to say now based on the past mistakes of your grandpa.
I don't talk mistake,
so
experiences. Because I don't believe say even if fella do am again, he go still marry one wife. He go probably still marry maybe 37 the next time. The kind of love where I get to give. Now one person I just want.
Then how has marriage influenced your perspective on creativity?
Very interesting question. Being a better person than I was yesterday. So that, I think, has just made my music, it don't make it even more about self-improvement.
Your P-Man, your grandpa, they've always been about one of their style of music now say then they talk about things we concerned with society. You understand how things where they share left for society don't need jig. And you yourself, they talk about self-improvement. So it's more like saying it's not just about Nigeria, but Nigerians.
Exactly.
So why is that change?
I just feel let's say one thing where they make person mad, now then they do the same thing and they expect different results. Fella don't show workings for that side. And Popsy self do the same thing. I just feel if I want nothing where I fit talk with I never talk,
Deep.
So I won't use another strategy. They communicate the kind of things where I feel with the experience.
Yes, so now station with Sabi BD's 89.9 and Guy FM, of course. Now what's up, Naija? Time. Yes, so now we the boss brain normally. Now 108 be the time right now in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Today will be the 18th day in the month of August 2025. When we enter the show, we tell you say today you go collect, not woto, but in a way we go sweet your body. And we been get guests in the studio, we go just make everything soft, because even just seeing him, na soft person. Soft person. We been get person, we be superstar, we be global superstar, we are proud to call him our own. And he is not just a musician, he's a saxophonist. If he play about 10, 20, 50, I just don't want to exaggerate. Instruments. Yes, so we they play he they play steadily. And of course he is also here to talk about his new project. Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome Made Kuti.
Made Kuti.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Just say Twale, Made Bolly.
Twale.
I love it.
I mean, but it's not every time where they see you in this kind of pidgin, indigenous way. So how does it feel for you just interacting in pidgin?
Now the one way people they follow me talk and they use
for
answer
real?
them now.
Oh well, that's true. But how often do you get to speak indigenously?
I think normally now with friends. Only with friends. I know they use that. I know if you use that to follow my papa talk or
why?
I don't know. Just the upbringing. It never reached like that. Yeah.
But if you use Yoruba,
but not pidgin.
Not pidgin.
Yeah.
Okay.
But with friends, if I dey play ball, na pidgin we could talk now.
Oh wow! So talking about football, aside the fact we not say you they play instrument, it's a 50, but I'm not saying at 70. But you just want to
maybe the number just dey increase now.
Yeah. So aside being an instrumentalist, singing and the rest of them, what do you do when you need to do all of these things?
I dey like sports. I dey play football, table tennis. Sometimes I dey play pool, snooker. But another thing where they use a lot of my time doing games. I like video games.
So if you want to play football now, what this thing wing you take? You be striker, you be midfielder, you be defender.
You be goalkeeper like me when I did small.
I feel play 10, 11.
Okay.
I don't feel play defense.
You cannot play defense.
I cannot play defense. Yeah, so anyway there.
Okay.
Center sides.
All right, so I mean, when you tag me on top Instagram, say
Yeah.
you they come on top or what's up Naija, I post them and the messages where I get on top social media. Hey, my day is coming! Oh my god, my day is coming! Oh my god, I beg, tell her make it do shout out for me. You know, I mean, the opposite gender, my gender, they fall even though they know say you don't they married with net. I mean, come on, beautiful union. We all
Yes.
experienced the wedding. We saw it, even though we're not invited. We saw it online.
Everybody was invited.
I mean,
You know,
but then,
come
I
now,
mean,
not
if you
Mr.
stand there because
Income.
I
was
did,
there.
I had to come to work, but it's fine. You know, do you still get this buzz? Like, especially when you go and perform, people just they scream, they shout, you know.
From the opposite
Yeah.
gender.
Yeah, so
No, not anymore.
really,
At least not to my knowledge. Normally,
Then they
I just-
delete your manager. They delete their message.
control your
Manager,
social
why you
media.
do such a thing?
Actually,
but okay.
no, because wait till you talk that. Now my wife, they do my social. But I have it, and I get out soon.
But do you
Really
think
share.
she must have deleted
No,
something,
no,
or she no go tell you?
Your
she
DM
no
go
delete am.
choke
She no fit
nah.
delete am. She no fit delete am.
Eh.
We dey very open with each other, and she no fit delete am.
But do you think, especially a lot of male artists, they feel say, you know, even if they're inside relationship, they don't like to bring it outside because sometimes
It dey affect
it is
their
a currency
sales.
for them.
Yeah.
What do you want to talk about that situation?
Well, I like as I be. I prefer make my way people like my music celebrate the kind of union where I get, the kind of happiness where I get for house. I don't want to mislead anybody. Say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So would you
So-
say you be kind of one man, one wife person?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Oh really?
Yes, sir.
Why you decide
Totally.
to stick? Because I know say you
Now
don't
wait till I don't
for-
see. Make me
You don't
decide.
see
Wait
things.
till
I
you
don't
see.
things, I beg.
Tell us what you see because
See that fella and 27 wives God said. You know, no say he later divorced everybody.
like everybody go your papa
He
house.
divorced everybody because you know easy two human beings first to relate to another person. It means say you guys they very in tune with that person from the morals to the values to the goals where you want to achieve in life, all those things. And you won't come divide them to 2, 3, 4, 5 people.
227.
I feel like as you they increase them, the relationship go they reduce in value. So me, I'm happy. I'd like as I did with my wife. Honestly, if I wake up in the morning, see her by my side, follow and chop breakfast, go walk, come back.
So you dey try to say now based on the past mistakes of your grandpa.
I don't talk mistake,
So
experiences.
okay.
Because I don't believe say even if fella do am again, go still marry one wife. Go probably still marry maybe 37 next time. But I know that for me, the kind of person where I be, the kind of peace of mind where me I like, the kind of love where I get to give. Now one person I just want
Okay.
them on top.
Okay, Made,
I
just
like that.
before we delve into the meat where we come here for, we want make you translate this thing for your indigenous language, which is, what's your indigenous language?
Yoruba.
Yoruba. Oh yeah, now. Show workings, no be cho cho cho. Show workings, no be as you dey think am we dey call. Story from the new album, chapter 1. Where does happiness come from? Who dey ask that kind of question? Nah, only Made dey ask am, and I ain't go answer am for us because it be like say this conversation or this question dey relative to different people. So Made, where does happiness come from as a title for an album? Wetin dey sup?
I just dey think say the kind of things where we dey face for Nigeria, Africa, and the world today. I believe now say no be just problem for the government or the elite. I believe say if everybody try, they accountable for the kind of things where they do for their respective professions and
Right.
their own personal life, and they self-aware. So they want to achieve, they want progress, be the best versions of themselves. Then the answer to that question go be slightly easier to answer. So like I tell you before, I don't want to talk I don't want to live, I don't want to interpret in a very selfish personal way. But I want make people reflect on that question at least. Not just assume say not just money or not just money. If you get money in very questionable ways, if you get joy in very unexpected places. So now to really reflect on that theme.
where
Okay.
does happiness come from? You know, say if you don't ask me one day of until now I still dey ask myself, because when I tell you say na money, you can't talk say you get people who get money but they don't commit suicide.
Yeah.
So it means say it's momentary,
Yeah.
right? And then we still get the happiness will be long term. So if we're talking of long term happiness, it got to be something deeper. Yeah. So I think we'll get to explain that thing for the song where we'll listen to and all of those things, then we'll line up for the song.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my day, I want to ask question. How many instruments if you play?
I don't talk about 70, Abi.
70, right?
80 now.
No, I know, because
No.
that one now
Now head knowledge, now from your head.
From
now.
the person where fit play, I just want to know.
So, instruments where I fit play. Now, sax. So, that sax family, tenor sax, alto sax, baritone sax. Then trumpets. I dey play bass guitar. I follow my popsy play bass guitar for like 2 years for him band.
Wow.
I dey play drums. I dey play guitar, electric guitar. And I dey play piano.
Come on now.
But nowadays, the instruments where I dey focus on are the piano, sax, trumpet, and guitar and bass guitar.
So you see, I count them right. 70. 70.
Not that bad.
You know what,
Eh.
Made? From your debut album, if I'm not mistaken, you played, the instruments.
Yeah, the debut I played everything.
You played
myself.
everything yourself.
Yes.
But this one, you lean towards your band.
Yes.
You understand? So what was the shift? Like, what were you trying to achieve?
I cannot lie. The first one, I the walk, the stress where I go through. I don't feel experience like because for studio only me. I go first lay drums for like 2 days. I'll come carry guitar, carry 6-string guitar, carry keyboard, carry tenor, baritone, trumpets. I'll constantly do backing vocals, do lead vocals. So now I just experiments where I do that time.
So
now,
it was intentional.
It was intentional.
Okay.
So now, as I want to identify as a composer and producer, I write all my music by myself.
Wow, nice.
All the parts within the band, all the lyrics. I compose all the music and arrange all the music. So I thought it could be a lot easier and even more natural. Made the band play at the same time rather than stacking layers of instruments one after the other. So it is more alive. Yeah.
You don't
Okay.
write any song for any artist.
Me? No, I know they like write song for artists. I write music for other platforms, other art forms like maybe adverts or dance
Okay.
and animation. But I know they do anything for other artists.
Okay, so this very question is something where I be dey ask my co-host say yes. I won't ask you because the thing don't dey my heart. You know how your P-man na person wey dey aligned to music, your grandpa na music, and you to music. Now, the world of music for you, was it something that Mother you guys do am because you meet her, or you do am because say you love her?
I do am because say I love am, but I love am because of the environment where I
grew.
dey, where I grow. Because I shrine, I spend most of my youth. So at that time, Popsy they play like 4 times every week. I go still follow and go tour. If they go Europe, I go go. If they go America, I go. I even follow and go Japan one time. Then you go still come back, go France, go studio, go carry me, go studio. So that exposure, all those experiences, now influence my decision. Now I find my love for music.
You say now what if it pass to your children?
Without pressure. The same way that as I no pressure me,
Oh.
if my children like I'm waiting and see, no
But
problem.
they don't like I'm no get
At all, no issue.
nice.
I not be the only picking for my papa now. There like 7 of us now,
Yeah.
and now only me want to do music as of right now.
As of right now,
As of
because
right
if we
now.
change,
If it change,
what message are you trying to pass across with this project, Chapter 1? Where does happiness come from?
I hope say anybody will at least listen to the entire album from start to finish. Retrieve something with you, enlighten them to, at the very least, progress mentally. I feel that one thing I dey fear na blame culture. When people feel say now everybody they're responsible for their situation except themselves.
True.
So if you consider Nigeria now, we don't pass 200 million people for Nigeria, and we still never find as we fit think as a collective people. Say okay, we need good healthcare, we want good education. And till today, I feel argue say if you take anybody from a, exploited position, carry and put for any place where you get power, chances be say go still exploit the people where you deal with before.
Fact.
So that strength of mind and strength of heart, I hope say them feel from this album.
Okay.
Be a better husband, be a better wife, a better brother, a better friend, all those things.
A better employee,
A better employer. A better employer.
Okay. This one, another song from the album, Chapter 1. Where does happiness come from? Pray. You see this particular one,
Yeah.
You get people where they
tell you.
where they love them. You just finished listening to Pray from Made Kuti on top of 89.9 and Guy FM station WhatsApp. If you get question you want ask now at the time, we'll send us message on top WhatsApp 090-48213013. Number again on top WhatsApp, change now 090-48213013. Do you have any favorites on this album? Where does happiness come from? Because the kind of people we don't love this song, this particular one we play now, Pray, the instrumentation, the everything, the vocals, the way it does a switch for body.
The singer, they play
no. So do you? I mean, it's really difficult to ask a father which child does he like best, but I mean,
pick one.
Sentiments.
But I'm not sure, but maybe Story. Because I feature Popsy.
Ooh.
And at the first track where one Kuti don't feature another Kuti.
Now the very first track,
Yeah.
why it take you this time to feature?
No, be me. My second album be this now.
Okay. Of course. I mean, this is your second album.
Yeah.
But was that intentional? Why didn't you want him on your first album? Because I mean, that was when you were
that first
coming.
album, now the album where I say I want to do everything by myself.
On your own.
Yeah.
Now why you do all the instruments yourself?
By myself.
Oh God.
But I mean, it came out great.
Yes.
It came out great. Well done. Well
Thank
done.
you.
All right. I mean, you don't reiterate, say you grew up for Shrine. How has that influenced you in your way of living? And if you want to identify who you be now, faith-based, are you a traditional worshiper? Are you a Muslim? Are you a Christian?
Yeah.
Like how you go identify yourself faith-wise?
Faith-wise, honestly, I don't get identity for that side.
Okay.
My spiritual thinking, we say, I did give thanks to the things we come before me. So like if I did pray, I know they necessarily pray to like a supreme being directly like that.
Okay.
I did pray to the people of my lineage. For example, I go pray, say I hope one of the most important people for my side of the family now my grandmama.
Okay.
Because now she they responsible for the security with our side of the family. That means Femi Kuti and Kuti. Their mom, such a powerful woman. They just released the book about her. If not for her, we feel no day the kind bond where we get for that side of the family.
Close knit.
Exactly.
Okay.
So usually if I did pray, I did give them thanks. I did give my dad's sister we passed away as well. Like then I would say, watch over us. Hope you're there. Hope you see us. Hope you are happy with what we're doing. But I know they ever really ask for favors like that. Or I know.
So you don't believe there's a supreme being?
Believe in a strong word. I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
So you don't know because you feel you never feel the direct impact of this supreme being.
Oh no, I don't see impact in many ways.
Okay.
I just don't know what that impact be. Whether na one supreme being, whether na a collective or supreme being. So I take I'm humble in my naivety of the universe.
Okay.
So I'm happy not to assume say I sabi everything, because I just feel say it depends your upbringing and your environment, they determine your faith.
Yeah.
So me where they no force me think anything.
Yeah. You don't want to force yourself to think.
I don't want to force myself to think. So I'm just looking at but I appreciate all faiths, I'm not I'm not against religion.
Right. My day. You know that tweet where you post, maybe let me that tweet. Today is for wedding food. That post, that tweet had so many impressions, so many likes, so many retweets and everything. I mean, the love was massive, obviously. And congratulations to you once again.
Thank you so much.
And then how you go take, answer this question. How has marriage influenced your perspective on creativity?
Very interesting question. I think maybe normally my songs there about self-improvement.
Yeah.
Right.
And now even more so because me and my wife now, we don't enjoy marriage between the two of us for like 2 years now. Now we won't start one bomb picking now.
Oh wow! Wow!
Now my favorite sound for any music station.
You don't talk this thing before.
I never talk about it.
Exclusive,
No,
baby.
we won't intend now.
No,
What
not
we say-
change jam.
Don't change them.
You want to
We
bump
get
picking.
it, baby. My day coming.
Okay.
Hopefully soon. So I mean,
Any
they plan
sex,
now,
no
now.
matter. Or is there something you
No,
look for
any
twin?
sex, no matter. Me, honestly, a part of me they pray saying, girl,
Oh wow.
Aww.
when we know,
Okay.
because we never actually start. See, my wife and I, we they overcalculate something that we don't plan the time next year when we won't born.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So we don't know the time when we go conceive.
Oh, right,
Wow.
right.
Yeah, we're
I
very-
mean, it's good to plan.
Now
Yeah.
footballer now, so you're supposed to know when he's gonna score.
So yeah, we are very intentional. So
Nice.
because of that, I'm even more. I'm harder on myself, and I put a lot of. I'm my heaviest critic. I concern myself more about being a better person than I was yesterday. So that, I think, has just made my music. It don't make it even more about self-improvement.
Okay, so I go like ask this very question because I know say your P-man, your grandpa, they've always been about one of their style of music now say then they talk about things we concerned with society. You understand how things where they share for the society really jig. And you yourself, they talk about self-improvement. So it's more like saying it's not just about Nigeria, but Nigerians.
Exactly.
So why is that change?
I just feel let's say one thing where they make person mad. Now if then they do the same thing and they expect different results
Right.
over and over again.
Clock it.
Right? So as fella don't show workings for that side, and Popsy self do the same thing. I just feel if I want nothing where I fit talk with I never talk.
Deep.
So I won't use another strategy. They communicate the kind of things where I feel with the experience.
Nice.
The things where we need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how more sweet. But the question will say ask you never.
You
see
never.
outside.
No be.
Show
wetin.
walking, no be church.
Show walking, no be cho. How you go take talk am for Yoruba?
See, the problem is my Yoruba na conversational Yoruba. No be.
Okay, interpret am literally.
Yeah, literally.
No try and do.
Show na film.
Walking.
Walking. Share. I know if you don't feel and share.
fi iṣẹ́ hàn mama kan
no.
sọ̀rọ̀ bálabàla.
Má sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀.
Má
Don't
sọ̀rọ̀
talk
púpọ̀.
too much. I don't know. See, I don't want to embarrass my
Oga.
people.
Make we find our way to the answer. We dey come.
Okay.
Made, wetin dem dey talk for this ending part? Be like say na voice note. Wetin dem dey talk?
Na fella, na recording of fella for one interview.
Wow.
And
Okay.
wetin he talking? Make music and act. If you want something to be done about it, then do something about it. Something like that. Na wetin he
Wow.
talk, yeah.
So
wow.
I think this now the
Find
third
my
time
way.
we don't see this kind of approach for music. You get one artist who will bring a record in mama
Priest.
that was priest. He say in mama conversation phone
Yeah.
call. You understand? Then one other artist the one we'll talk about naming of streets.
Yes. Ayomaf.
Ayomaf still talk about there was this recording with is it a new style?
No, that's something that with musicians don't they do for a long time.
Right.
I know if he claims in our original
Yeah.
idea, but now the reason why I even played that, I used that
For this song,
recording
Find
for that
My
song.
Way.
Now because now the same theme of the actually in they talk about musicians.
Huh.
In they talk about say musicians when they make music, they must reflect the society within they. So if you want to do something, if you want to make music and act. Now it's
Make
in trend,
music
yeah.
and act.
Yeah.
Because now it be like say we just dey hear musicians talk about women, houses, money. I mean, come on.
Well, we'll get to that things.
We dey worry us as a country. Yeah. But you know what? I mean, Made, you don't experiment on jazz, classical, Afro beats. Is there a genre of music maybe say you they each like maybe techno or I don't know?
I think maybe like maybe dance music or something I'd like.
That would be nice. That would be different.
Yeah.
So I mean, is there something
like
else
dance,
we should
like
techno
house?
House. That's what I wanted to say. House, right? That would be.
Yeah.
Have you ever, imagined working with other artists in Nigeria when not necessarily they in your own lane?
Niche, yeah.
Some of them don't. I don't follow some of them work. I don't do one track. Mama told me with Runtown.
Oh wow.
I don't do another track with the Tenny, another one.
Yeah,
with
I think I remember that one.
With the Lekon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lekon Big Brother.
Yeah.
Okay.
New Dimension.
Nice.
Then I don't do some tracks with them. A Caveman and some international acts. So, normally, I dey like feature on other people's tracks.
Okay.
I know they not really like call people.
Make them no pollute them, abi.
No, no, hey, God.
No, because you
Love
it.
No.
Maybe pollute na wrong
No.
word.
Like,
May
they know.
dilute the
Maybe.
concentration.
Because say I dey do everything myself. Say if you enter lab, you write all the parts, do all the music. By the time you see the product, you just like.
Would you say you're a perfectionist?
I'm a perfectionist for sure.
Oh
Yeah.
wow!
Now we know. Now we know.
Clock it.
All right. I mean, Afrobeat is your foundation, obviously. Waiting be that one thing where you want to contribute to Afrobeat.
I want push creativity the way my predecessors take push creativity. So I don't want to play Afrobeat just the way Fela play Afrobeat or the way my papa play Afrobeat. I want to find I want to discover new territory,
Right.
new techniques, new approaches. Because like I just talked before, if Fela no dey experimental, he no go invent Afrobeat.
You know, go invent them.
So in a risk taker, Popsy self, if he did not say, I won't leave my papa band, which he do and I abuse him for it. But he discovered his own sound.
Right.
And did very experimental modern sounds that time. I feel I have a responsibility to be as in they risk taking and experimental the same way.
So you say you abuse your papa for that act. Why do?
No be him abuse my papa, not the
band?
No, the media.
Okay.
Journalist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say leave
say leave Fela and say who him be.
Wow.
Instead of make you wait inherit. When Popsy released that in his Wonder Fela still there alive.
Wow. So
it takes time before Fela self in because in the man of the people, they really give priority to his children. So it take a few more years later when you can realize Femi na my son. You can see Popsy for one show. The story with my auntie tell me say he hear one of the compositions called MYOB. So when he hear what Popsy make, he just dey happy. Now he can invite them come back to Shrine. Can they play Sundays for Shrine? So since that year, that's now nearly 30 years now. That they play consistently Sundays every day, every Sunday.
So every Sundays for Fela.
Yeah. So now just people, not be Fela, now people.
Okay, waiting they make my day. Waiting they give you joy aside music. Waiting, traveling.
Family.
Oh, family.
Absolutely, yeah.
Just spending time, quality time with family.
That's what I do most of the time. Yeah.
We love that. And of course, thank you for spending quality time with us on
live.
1289.9 Yaga FM station with Sabi. You be family now. When we call you, I beg, show.
No problem.
And we love you don't tell us, Afrobeat no be just history, it's alive.
Yeah.
And of course, you're one of the people pushing it and shaping its future. We really appreciate your time with us today.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
If no be say, bring your sax. I for say make you play for me. Make I play am for my birthday in November. How we go take do am now?
He go do
and I get box guitar for house, so
every day they
Anybody
talk.
feel
I
free.
always
Bring
forget.
it to the studio. Why not plan for my birthday?
No verse.
As well.
All right, so anything you want to talk to people, people where they support
Yeah,
you,
your
say,
fans.
you know what? this guy now ride and keep riding with this guy.
What do they call your fan base? Is it Madden Nation?
No, I don't decide. Like last month, I could call them the movement.
The
movement.
Yeah.
So make everybody just day.
Okay.
Just they drop exclusive up and down. The movement.
Now you they bring.
Love it. Love it.
The movement.
So,
Okay.
what do you want to tell the movement?
I know say no easy to support this kind of music, as you know, sometimes we did misunderstood. But I appreciate you, and I promise to continue to be as professional and adventurous a musician as I've been so far.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What about the birthday shout out, man?
Yeah, we'll go do
We
for
go do
video.
am. We definitely go do am. All right, now what's up, Naija be this? Even though Made no really tell us wetin be show workings, no be cho. It's we love am like that. We shall hear Fihon, we hear sorrow. We go join them together.
Fihon,
This
sorrow.
one na one of his favorite track from the album where he just released, chapter
Yes,
1.
very.
Where does happiness come from? And sure say you listen to it, stream it, and I mean grow it now. Let us make sure say we appreciate them. Enjoy. We'll be right back. My name is Baby Sasa.
My name is JC Talks.